Let's solve question number 64. This question states two friends Mr. A and Mr. B stand according to figure 1. The two friends then interchange their positions as given in figure 2. So on basis of these two figures, we have to find the height of the wall from the ground. Let's solve this question. So start with figure 1. So we are assuming the height of Mr. A is capital A and the height of Mr. B is capital B. So when we look at this figure 1, we can simply conclude here 110 centimeter plus height of person A is equal to the height of wall plus height of Mr. B. Mark this relation as an equation number 1. Now move to figure 2. With the help of this figure, we can write 130 centimeter plus height of Mr. B is equal to height of the wall plus height of Mr. A. Mark this relation as an equation number 2. On adding 1 and 2, you will obtain A plus B will be available on both sides of this equation. So it get cancelled, and after further simplification, you will obtain the height of the wall as 120 centimeter. That means you can say option number 2 is the correct answer for this question. I hope you understood this question. Let's solve next one. Now let's solve question number 65. This question states, in a certain coding scheme, consonants and vowels are coded differently as illustrated below. C is coded as 6, Z is coded as 52, E is coded as 9, O is coded as 29. With the help of these coding pattern, we have to find the sum of numerals in the coded version of this word faith. Let's solve this question. Let's decode the coding pattern. See, its position in English alphabet is 3 and its code is 6. That means we are taking twice the position of this letter C. Similarly, the position of letter Z in English alphabet is 26 and its code is 52. That means again we are taking the twice the position of letter Z. Then we have a vowel E. Its code is 9. The position of letter E in English alphabet is 5. So it is 1 less than twice the position of this letter E, that is a vowel. So it can be written as 5 multiplied by 2 minus 1. This is equal to 9. Again we have a vowel. The position of letter O in English alphabet is 15 multiplied by 2 minus 1 is equal to 29. So we have the coding pattern for consonants and vowel differently as illustrated here. So with the help of this coding pattern, first let's find the code for letters F, A, I, T and H respectively. So F is a consonant. Its position in English alphabet is 6. So 6 multiplied by 2, what will obtain? 12. A, vowel. So 1 multiplied by 2 minus 1, 1. I, again a vowel. 9, its position. 9 multiplied by 2, 18 minus 1, 17. Then T, a consonant. T is at 20th position in English alphabet. So we are getting the code for T is 40. A is at 8th position and it is a consonant. So 8 multiplied by 2, we are getting 16. So we have to find the sum of these numbers. What we are obtaining? 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 17, 30, 30 plus 40, 70, 70 plus 16, that is 86 is the correct answer for this question. So here option number 3 is correct. I hope you understood this question based on the concept of coding and decoding. Now let's move on to the next question. Now let's proceed to question number 66. This question states, in a class 20% of students are below 14 years of age. Out of the remaining students, 10% are of age 14 to 15 years. And ratio of students who are between 15 to 16 years of age to student above 16 years of age is 3:2. Further, this question says, if the number of students who are above 16 years is 72, what is the total number of students in the class? Let's solve this question. Friend, first of all, we are going to assume let the total number of students in the class be X. Now, as per the given conditions, 20% of the students are below 14 years of age. So 20% of X, simply it is written as X upon 5. Now move on to the next statement. Out of the remaining students means X minus X upon 5, 4X upon 5. 10% are of age 14 to 15 years. That means 10% of 4X upon 5, that can be written as 2X upon 25. Clear? Now, let's find the number of students between age 15 to 16 years and above the age of 16 years. So, a relation is given. The ratio of the number of students who are between 15 to 16 years of age to the students above 16 years of age is 3:2. So we can represent this statement mathematically as number of students between 15 to 16 years of age divided by the number of students above 16 years of age is equal to 3:2. That can be written as 3/2. So the expression in the denominator is equal to 72. That means we have the number of students who are greater than of age 16 years. That means we have to find the number of students whose age is lying between 15 to 16 years. So with the help of this equation, if I put the value of the denominator term as 72, will obtain the value of numerator as 108. So the sum total of these numbers is equal to X, because as per our assumption, the number of students in the class is X. So here we are obtaining a linear equation in one variable X. Let's solve this equation. And friends, when we solve this linear equation in one variable X, we'll get the value of X as 250. And out of the given 4 options, we can notice that option number 2 is the correct choice. So you can mark second option as the correct answer for this question. I hope you understood this question based on the concept of linear equation in one variable. Now let's proceed to the next question.